Hey, good afternoon folks. Welcome to Peepaw's Shop. I got a brand new exciting product from BOEN. They sent this to me, asked me if I'd review it, and I absolutely will review it. It's a great product. I'll show you what we got here. We have 1/4 inch impact set. And what we got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We got 25 deep well sockets. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 24, 26, 27 short impact sockets. Got some more over here. These are the Torx bits sockets, and they're in there. They're not going to fall out. So that's a Torx bit socket, not the bit itself. There's 5 of them, so we're up to over 50 items, plus the long extension, the short extensions, 2 adapters, and the ratchet. Let's just take this ratchet out of here. Man, that is sharp. It's got a good feel to it. It's not lightweight, it's not hollow, it's solid. So easy action there. Got you press to release. Hey, this is going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to use this real soon here, and I can't wait to. It's a good looking tool. Listen, if y'all aren't familiar with BOEN, you need to get familiar. I'm telling you, they got a good product, got a solid tool, got a solid case, and I think you'll like it. Not only that, but it looks good. Hey, I think this set's going to work out real well for me. If it works well for me, I know it'll work well for you. So in the meantime, y'all give it a look. Have a blessed day.